Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global market reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from New York City at SmartCon. Joining me for the segment, we have Jisu Park, founder and CEO of Suho. We are here to discuss the digital assets, blockchain infrastructure, and payment space in the Korean market. And Jisu, it's great to see you. As always, welcome back to Trade Talks. So let's talk about Suho. How did you decide to focus on blockchain infrastructure in the Korean market?
Yeah, like we started from the 2018, and now we're focusing on FX infrastructure for the stablecoin, especially for institutions in Korea like banks and fintech services.
Yeah, and the digital asset market payment space, it really is evolving rapidly. What trends in Korea are you watching most closely?
Compared to the last year in Korea, like government turning to more crypto-friendly one. So all the stablecoins initiatives are proactively doing really well in Korean markets. So all the regulations, initiatives, and pilots are emerging a lot in Korean market right now.
So this evolution within the regulatory space, how is it impacting Suho's strategy?
So last year we participating on Bank of Korea CBDC project, which is more like a pilot and a testing stuff. But now we are more focusing on commercialized ready pilots and initiatives right now.
So this is a work with Chainlink and Project Namsan, correct? That's advancing Korea's on stablecoin ecosystem, right? How does this collaboration help you build scalable infrastructure for institutions?
So the partnership with the Chainlinks comes from like 3 years before. It's quite long. Now we kickstarted to using Korean won for clearing and settlement with Chainlink CCIP right now. So which means whenever travelers who visit Korea can use USDC to converting into Korean won packed purpose money, which is same as a stablecoin easily, and then like merchant in Korea can accept those dollar into Korean won. That kind of partnerships are what we do through the Project Namsan right now.
And that shows the value of interoperability.
That's so true.
So as Asia's tokenization and digital assets markets mature, what are the benchmarks, what are the milestones that you're going to be looking out for?
So I believe on the stablecoin market, there is a lack of narratives and discussion for FX, or is quite lax. So everyone think dollar infrastructure and dollar collateralized stablecoin, but most of the demands for the stablecoin comes from the non-USD countries. That's why we're focusing on FX infrastructure for non-USD stablecoin. So I think for our milestones to proving how the FX infrastructure is important in non-USD country, and also how we can prepare it properly with our infrastructure will be our like next milestone in a few like months, I think.
So because FX infrastructure is complex,
Yeah.
right? So this will help remove some of the complexity to make it efficient. Make those conversions. So
Yeah, it's correct. And also like penetrating the local market is extremely hard because you need to talk with the regulators, bankers, and also institutions. So it requires a regional partner like us. So we are starting from the Korean market and expand to the like East Asian market right now. So we're trying to connecting all the dots between like global infrastructure to local currency infrastructure like us, like them.
right, Jisu, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining me from SmartCon. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.